Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and signing into the account you use. Play any video so the player controls appear. Once done, look to the right on desktop or above the Up Next list on mobile for the autoplay toggle. You need to interact with a playing video to expose that control. Make sure you're on the same device where autoplay happens because the switch can be device-specific. Don't skip forward. See the toggle change when you tap it. Now turn the autoplay feature off. On desktop, click the autoplay toggle beside the Up Next list so it switches to off. On mobile, tap the video, then the autoplay switch above suggested videos. Once it reads off, navigate away and return to confirm the setting persisted. If you use multiple devices, repeat this on each one. Settings can be per device. Also note, signing out may reset behavior, so keep signed in if you want the change to stick across sessions. Finish by confirming autoplay is truly off. Refresh the page or restart the app, then play another video to verify no next video starts. If autoplay returns, clear the app cache or update YouTube. On desktop, disable browser extensions that alter playback. Make sure account sync settings aren't reapplying defaults and repeat the toggle on each device you use. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, because sometimes the account state needs a refresh to respond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.